Cold start video. 1990 Ford Taurus SHO. Did I hook up the battery cables? It's gonna need some paint. Okay. Cold. I'm on the exhaust manifold there. Oh, there we go. There's a cold motor. Yep. Hold, please. This one. Please observe the leather. The door card. 52,680 miles. E-brake. Yep. Let's just replace the fuse. Okay. And there we go. We've got an airbag in it. Oh, airbag light is still on. It's going to go off. There it goes. All we have is the door ajar. Those are the only warning lights we have. Neutral. Let me demonstrate that there's no cuts in the video. That's my hand on the exhaust manifold. That's a cold start, folks. 1990 SHO. Let's give you a quick walk around. It's a cold morning in Vancouver, Washington. Go. Let's give you a good look down the body line. Let's give you a good look down the body line. Warm. We'll go ahead and pause and let her come up to temperature.